Hello everyone. Moving on to our second command, I will be showing you that how we can tell Nmap to scan for a specific port or desired range of ports. So the command can be given as open your terminal, type Nmap space minus sign p, it's a small p, space and a specific port number that you want to scan. So I'm giving here 443, okay, space the target IP 192.168.0.105. So you can see that Nmap has only scanned a specific port that we have defined. In this similar way, you can also specify multiple ports. Let me show you how we can do that. Let me clear this out and we will be giving the command that is nmap space minus sign small p space. Suppose we have three multiple ports, okay, so one will be the 80 and separated by a comma, give the another one 443, again comma, and give the third one, let me give the 5522, okay, space and this target IP. So you can see that Nmap has scanned only the ports which are specified here. Similarly, we can also give a range of ports. We can do that by giving the command like nmap. Okay, let me clear this out here. So the command can be given as nmap space minus sign small p, suppose a single port that is 80, separated by a comma and the range of ports, like I want to give 100 to 8000, okay, so 100 minus sign 8000, okay, space target IP 192.168.0.105. So nmap will be scanning the specific port that is 80 and then it will scan the range that is from 100 to 8000. Okay, let me hit the enter and let us see what we are getting in the scan result. So you can see here that it has scanned port 80 and it has scanned the ports between the range 100 to 8000. As you can see here, it says that 7896 are the closed ports. So in this way, we can specify or tell the Nmap to scan for a specific port or the range of ports.